Okay, so, ¿dónde has ido? ¿Cómo se dice en en inglés?
Where have you been?
Ok, ahora, para sonar un poco más fluido,
Where where
where have you
where
been?
have you been?
Huh?
Where have you been?
No, where've.
Where have you been?
Where have you been?
Where have you been?
No, no, en serio.
Where have you been?
Where have you been all this
Where
time?
have you been?
Where have you been all this time?
Where have you been all time?
All
All time.
this time.
Ah,
Todo
all-
este tiempo.
All this time.
Where have you been all this time?
Where have you where 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 have you been?
Todo este tiempo.
All time.
All this time.
All this time.
All
All this
this time. Oh my god, where have you been all this time?
Where? Oh my God! Where have you been
Todo este tiempo.
all this time?
Ajá.